Affiliate marketing, it's probably the easiest ways to make passive income, and all you need is 1 to 3 months of dedication towards your business model. You could be a student or even have a job. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Well, in simple, affiliate marketing is being affiliated or linked with another brand, such as Nike or Adidas, and putting their link in your bio. It's almost like a sponsorship, except a big deal isn't required, just a big fan following and the basic knowledge of digital marketing. First of all, you will need to advertise or build up a social media account. No matter what platform, it can be YouTube, Instagram, or even Facebook. Most of the time will be taken to build a following of people on these platforms. 1,000 would be an appropriate target. Next, using Pinterest or other platforms, you can contact small or even big brands depending on your following and offer to advertise anything they'd need in return for some money. Often, advertising something that would guaranteed reach around 5,000 people would earn you a good $50 to $100. Now there are two types of affiliate marketing: earning on commissions or making a fixed amount of money. On commissions, you will make a share, around 5 to 10% on the amount of customers you made reach the brand. A fixed price may be around $50 to $250, but a larger fan following would be required for this. Eventually, as you build a big fan base by doing this, making money by affiliate marketing becomes easier and easier, making more and more money each time. If you want tips on monetization or what to post, click the link in the description for a video on that, which should be out about 2 weeks after the release of this video. Remember, new uploads every week, and if you have a video idea or one you'd like to see, you can always comment. Thanks for watching this one. If you made it all the way here, comment how much money you're earning and how much you'd like to earn. Remember, subscribing is free and makes my day. Have a good day and good luck to anything you try.